I know.
Hey, Max, what do you want to ask Santa?
Tell me what you want for Christmas.
What do you want? Tell Santa.
You want some racing cars? You like racing cars? Well, do you want some trucks? Do you like dump trucks or garbage truck or what kind of truck? Okay, but they come in green.
No, they're red.
What color would you want? Green?
They might be done in time.
What color?
Machine.
Machines and diggers.
Oh, okay, no problem. And some racing cars too? Okay, what else would you like? Big truck.
Yeah.
Big truck. How about a big yellow truck? Would that be okay? Big truck?
Okay, Max. Okay.
Can I get a hug? Can you give me a hug?
Can you give Santa a hug? Aww. Yay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Thank you.